Hi everybody, we're at Beijing Capital International Airport, and today we're going to be taking a tour on 3 sets of main Kone EcoDisc MRL traction glass elevators here. And before we get started, I would like to wish our main legendary elevator enthusiast Andrew Reams, also known as DieselDucy, a very happy birthday. As this video is for you since you dedicated me an Otis Gen 2 elevator video when you went to Finland to visit with Kone. Now the first elevator we're going to be starting off are the ones to the far left. So with that being said, sit back, relax, and enjoy this elevator tour. Here we come to the main elevators at Beijing Capital International Airport. These are Kone, and there's one sitting there waiting for me. Andrew, DieselDucy, this video is for you since you love Kone. It's a very beautiful glass cab. Alright, let's go on to 2. It's a Kone EcoDisc MRL traction. Here's the seating.
Second floor.
Here we are at 2. Now we're going to go up to 4. And now here are the second set of elevators. I was going to start the ones from the middle, but they're way too busy. So I started off from the far right, which they're the exact same, serving the exact same floors. Alright, here we are coming to the second sets of main elevators at Beijing Capital International Airport. There's one that is in the middle, but it's very, very busy, so it's hard to film that one. We're gonna ride this one. We'll call this one up as well. Alright, here comes one. Oh, someone's on it, so I'm gonna let them off. Well, I guess this one's coming, so we'll get on this one. Alright, no one's on this one. And this one's a little faster.
Second.
We get a quick cab view here. It's identical to the other one that's towards the other side on the opposite. We got more people coming in. Oh, I guess no one's coming down. There's your cab view. Your fixtures over there. And that's it. Now here's the last set of elevators here in this main part of the airport. Also in this bank, these things are extremely busy. All right, here we come to the third elevators, the main elevators at Beijing Capital International Airport. And finally, here comes this one. These things are extremely busy. Look at that button's like bent in. Alright, we're gonna take this for one quick ride. These things are very busy. This is one that serves the basement.
Third floor. Highway 1. Open the door.
Ah, these things are busy.
Please be careful. Second floor. Highway 1. Open the door.
There are more elevators right there, but I'm not going to have time to ride those.
First floor.
I have to get back up onto the fourth floor as soon as I can. I gotta wait for my parents and catch a flight.
Minus 1 floor. High E. Open the door. 坐地铁了吗？妈妈。请小心。Please be careful. First floor. Open the door.
Somebody pushed up and no one called it. Oh. Man, this is busy. Oh gosh, there's gonna be so much people.
Third floor. High A1. Open the door. Please be careful. Fourth floor. High A1. Open the door.
Alright, I'm getting off here now. This is way too busy. That chime is just going over and over and over and over again. Alright, thank God it cleared out. I'm gonna watch it close. There it goes, watch it go down. There it goes down. And there's the EcoDisc. Watch it stop. And there goes the brakes. So I guess that will be it for all the 3 main elevators here at Beijing Capital International Airport. Andrew, aka DieselDucy, I hope you enjoy this. This video is dedicated to you. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. And Andrew, happy birthday once again. Thank you so much for everything you've done for us. Our lives would have not been impacted without your help. And with that being said, this concludes the Elevate tour of the Kone elevators at Beijing Capital Airport. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and that'll be it.